Hi and welcome to this video in which I will be explaining my 100-day planner slash tracker for my May 2024 CA final exams. So a lot of y'all had actually DM'd me, sent me a lot of requests asking me to share this Excel tracker. Yeah, so I'll just get right into it. So this I have divided into four Excel sheets. So this is the flow. So first, I have taken the ICI weightage, the weightage which they have given in their BOS website, which I have embedded as a PDF in this file itself if you want to refer to it. So from that, I've done an ABC analysis of each chapter. I've only done this for DT and IDT because these are the two main papers I'm going to be focusing on this attempt. From this, I have made a 100 days schedule, and from this, I have made my daily timetable. So I'll walk you through the entire Excel tracker because the 100-day schedule, actually I will be sharing a template only because also I'm not an expert myself and this is what I feel is going to work for me. But if you want it, just leave it in the comments. I just put whatever percentages they had given in this PDF, and then marks also I allotted on the basis of that. And this category, all of these three columns actually have been given by ICI only. This ABC analysis, I've done it on my own, and this is on the basis of whatever past papers are there. Some other teachers have said, and a lot of my own intuition. So there is no need to follow this ABC categorization itself. If you want, you can of course go ahead with your own analysis. So now, basis of this analysis I've done for both DT and IDT, as you can see. So basis of this is how I reached into I went to my next tab, which is the A, B, and C category. I've done it for both DT and IDT. So I've retained from the previous tab itself this column, the weight and the marks percentage wise. Okay, so this is how I planned my 100-day schedule. So basis of this, I've decided these many days I'm going to be spending for category A and category B. So this is my 100-day schedule. So I first given date-wise all the dates till 30th April. Then we have a countdown, of course. So it is actually starting from yesterday, that is 19th Jan. So there is a countdown till the last day. And then chapter wise weightage and overview. This overview is only for my own, for me to understand why I put all of these chapters in the beginning. So in the beginning, I'm starting with indirect tax because I find that to be a little more easier. So I'm going to try to finish the A and B category of indirect tax, the first reading. Then I'll go to category A of direct tax. I'm giving it a little more time. Okay. Anyway, and so on and so forth. You can see the entire overview over here, and I've color coded it. That is, IDT is in green, DT is in yellow, and IBS is in pink. The chapters are taken from here, and I've just put it into this basis of what I think I can do each day, what my capacity is. So this is at this timetable I've actually put on the basis of my own intuition, how much I think I can finish in a day, and all of that, and based on my understanding of a chapter, and I've also given a few days for buffer in case I don't finish my the chapters as I planned, and then I'm also giving a day here for tests. So because of that, timetable could be a little different from yours is, which is why I'm actually not wanting to share my 100-day schedule, because your schedule need not be like this, need not look like this. So this is the same, made it as a template, the same thing. I've just left it like this blank, so you can fill in your own 100-day schedule if you want. I will leave my 100-day schedule, but like I mentioned, I'm not an expert, so I don't want this to hamper your studies in any way. If you think you can do more than this, of course, you should go ahead. Then from this, I have derived my daily timetable. So this I have given date wise again as usual. These are the four study slots which I am going to be studying in. So my first study slot is for 4 hours, and in the morning 4 hours, which I'm because I'm taking a half an hour break in between this. I made it two study slots. I will be working at least for next month or so. So 10 to 3:30 tentatively is for that. My next slots are as such. So you can of course change this to meet your own study schedule, study slots whenever it is, and you can change it over here. On this 100 days schedule, I took the chapters and then I just divided this into whatever slot using a time blocking method. So yeah, that is what I have done. Every day in the last 1 hour, I've kept for revision of that day. So I'll try to recall what I've studied throughout the day without looking at my book much, sort of like an active recall. So that I've not finished this timetable yet. So I just want to see how it goes and whether the first 4 days I'm able to follow my timetable, and then I'll put the rest of it slowly as and when. So yeah, tentatively this is what it is. So I'll leave this Excel file as a Google Drive link in my description box. You can download it and you can edit it to your preference. So I hope you find this useful, and all the best for your exams. Bye.